Hello there. In this tutorial I'll show you how to install UDP Custom on your server or virtual machine. All you need is ANS, SHH client app like Juices, SHH, a VPS with Ubuntu version 23. In this tutorial I'll use Termius. Without wasting time, let me get into my server. Before installing anything, we need to update our server packages to ensure that they're of the latest version of Ubuntu. All the used commands are put in this video's description box.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
When you're all done, you need a one-time script command that will execute each and everything.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We're done installing UDP. You can now create users on your server. And you found this tutorial helpful. Kindly subscribe onto our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials like this.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create